Today I'm reviewing the Samsung microwave with its smart oven. I did find the instructions a little bit difficult to follow, but like most things, it's trial and error. So that rack is for when you're using two plates. You put a plate underneath and a plate on top. That rack is just to lift it, because the microwave is a big space, so it just lifts it, so you've got the hot air going all the way around it. Very useful, good. And the browning plate, I use it a lot. It's a good little plate and it does brown, does the job. These are just frozen small roast potatoes, pale and ill looking. You put it on the browning plate into the microwave on slim fry, and they come out absolutely delicious. They're brown, then soft inside and crispy on the outside. They're better than a normal oven. The microwave is very easy to use. Just put a jug of water in just to show you. You press the start button. You can either turn it to how many minutes you want it to go, or you can press the start button again for 30 seconds, or you can turn it down if you've decided you've pressed it too many times, and it'll do it for 2 minutes. When it's coming to the end of the microwave, it actually says end. And beeps. You can actually turn the beeps off if they annoy you. 4 beeps, and after a minute again it beeps again, and you're ready to take out whatever you're microwaving or cooking. At the turntable from turning, if you've got a large dish or something that doesn't actually turn in the microwave, you just turn it off, and all you do then is halfway through cooking is turn it round again. There's also a child safety lock, which is wonderful. There's the beep. You can open the microwave. There's the child safety lock. You press it in for 3 seconds and it's locked. I find is very helpful. Put my little rack in, put my browning plate and my frozen oven ready potatoes in, close the door, we press slim fry, and this is the mastermind of your oven and microwave.
Yeah.
You turn the multifunction button to whatever you're cooking really. It tells you in your instruction book the numbers as to what you're cooking. I'm going to put it down as potato croquettes. I found that was the better one. So you've already got the number 1. So we're turning it to number 1. Press the button, and I want that on number 2. Press the button. That's the weight of whatever's in there. We've all probably only got about 250, but it weighs it for you. It's really good. So that's that, and we just press start and it's done. 17 minutes. I was quite concerned as to how much electricity this big microwave would use, but we're on smart meters with the gas and electric, so I can actually watch how much electric it actually uses. and it hardly uses anything. I was really surprised and very pleased, really. It showed nothing.